Let's get started by preparing the meat, making sure to remove the gristle and also any fat. Moving on to the veggies, chop the carrot and celery sticks into chunks. Next, cut the onion in half. And then, just place it all together into a large pot. We'll also throw in a clove of garlic, a bay leaf and some peppercorns, a few cloves, and finally, pour in a cup of white wine. Add water to cover everything. Season with a pinch of salt and some olive oil. Turn on the stove and let it simmer for about 45 minutes. Remember to occasionally skim the foam off the surface and then cover it with a lid. Now let's make the sauce. In a blender, add in the hard-boiled eggs, the tuna fish, a few anchovies, and some capers. Then, start to blend it while pouring in the filtered veal broth. Now, some versions of the dressing also call for mayonnaise. Adjust the quantities according to your taste. This is our cooked veal, which has been drained and left to cool completely. All that is left is to slice it. In order to cut it into nice thin slices, it needs to be thoroughly cooled. And garnish it with the sauce. And with some capers. There you have it, our Vitello Tonnato is ready. Now let's taste it. It's really good.